Hello everyone, welcome back to the 8th series of UK University AI-based credibility interview prepared specially for you by our interview team. To check the previous parts of the series, you can check the playlist on our channel. Question number 71. How will you manage your time and stay organized to excel in both studies and work in the UK? So work से related जो भी क्वेश्चन पूछे जाते हैं उसमें बेसिकली ये जानना चाहते हैं कि आपका मेन फोकस स्टडी है या फिर वर्क. So इसका आंसर आप दे सकते हैं like I plan to create a weekly schedule that includes fixed study hours and I will prioritize my assignments and complete them in advance to avoid last-minute stress. By setting reminders and using planners, I will stay organized. My focus will always be on academics first because I want to complete my degree successfully, and after finishing my studies, I will come back to India and then only start working because I have sufficient money for my tuition fees and living expenses during my studies in the UK, and I don't need to work in UK. Question number 72. How do you plan to make friends and connect with teachers and peers? So I plan to actively participate in classroom discussion, join clubs, and attend university events. I will interact with classmates during group projects and study sessions, and I will also connect with professors during office hours to seek guidance. Building relationships in this way will make my student life more enjoyable and enriching. Question number 73. What soft skills do you think are important for success in your career? Answer can be soft skills like communication, teamwork, problem solving, time management are very important for career success. Being adaptable, confident, and able to work with people from different backgrounds is equally important. I believe that combining technical knowledge with strong soft skills will make me more successful in my future role. Moving on to question number 74. How will you stay updated about new trends and opportunities in your field? So answer can be I will regularly read industry journals, follow experts on LinkedIn, and attend workshops or webinars related to my field. Staying connected with professors, alumni, and classmates will also help me learn about new opportunities. I believe that lifelong learning is essential to keep growing in any career. Question number 75. Why do you think UK education will help you achieve your long-term goals? So you can answer this question like this. UK education will give me practical knowledge, critical thinking skills, global exposure, all of which are important for success in today's competitive world. The shorter course duration and career-focused approach will help me enter the workforce faster, and studying in multicultural environment will also improve my adaptability and networking skills, which are useful achieving my long-term career goals. So जो आपका long-term career goal है वो भी इसमें आप include कर सकते हैं. Question number 76. What accomplishment in school are you most proud of? So answer can be I'm most proud of achieving good grades throughout my school years and receiving recognition in academic competitions, and I also participated in extracurricular activities like debates and group projects which helped me improve my communication and teamwork skills. These achievements gave me confidence and prepared me to take on new challenges in higher education. Question number 77. What qualities do you value in people you spend time with? So answer can be I value honesty, kindness and positivity in people, and I like to spend time with those who are supportive, hardworking and motivate me to do better. Being around positive people creates a good environment where everyone can grow together and achieve their goals. Question number 78. How did you evaluate the benefits and drawbacks of each university before making the final choice? So answer can be I compared universities based on their course content, fees, location, global rankings, student satisfaction rate and career support services. I also looked at reviews from students and the facilities provided by university. After weighing all factors, I chose this university because it offers a perfect balance of quality education, affordability and strong career opportunities. अगर आपका आंसर 1 मिनट का होता है तो आप उसमें यूनिवर्सिटी की स्पेसिफिक रैंकिंग भी प्रिपेयर करके रख सकते हैं, प्लस उसमें आपको कितनी स्कॉलरशिप मिल रही है और उनका स्टूडेंट सेटिस्फेक्शन रेट क्या है. तो हो सके तो जो भी आप रैंकिंग चेक करें ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट से चेक कीजिए, ना कि ChatGPT से. Question number 79. How important is gaining international exposure for your future career? So answer can be gaining international exposure is very important because it improves adaptability, communication, understanding of different cultures. It also helps in building strong professional network and learning global business practices. Employers value candidates with international experience as they bring diverse perspective and skills. But during my studies, my main priority is to complete the degree successfully, and then I will come back to home country for getting better opportunities which I have already looked for in companies. I can also improve my communication and other skills during my studies and events as I will be interacting with different committees during my course. Question number 80. What are your plans after completing your studies in the UK? So you can answer this question. After completing my studies, I plan to return to my home country, जो भी आपकी home countries का name mention कर सकते हैं, and work in a reputed organization. Then you can mention the names of the companies to gain experience in my field on this role. And my long-term goal is to use the knowledge and skills I gain to manage and expand my family business, या फिर जो भी आपका future long टर्म प्लान है वो इसमें आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं, स्पेशली इन द रियल एस्टेट सेक्टर। तो मैंने एग्जांपल के लिए रियल एस्टेट का मेंशन किया है। एंड द डिग्री फ्रॉम द यूके विल गिव मी द कॉन्फिडेंस एंड एक्सपर्टीज टू सक्सेड इन माय करियर। सो जो भी आपका लॉन्ग टर्म प्लान है वो इसमें आप मेंशन कर सकते हैं। मैंने एग्जांपल के लिए रियल एस्टेट बताया है। सो दैट वाज ऑल फॉर टुडे सीरीज। मिलते हैं अगली सीरीज में। टिल देन बाय बाय।